Assalamualaikum, dear students of class 3. Welcome to your next English class. Students, today we are going to move to our next lesson of Unit 1, which is Unit 1, Lesson 4, Reading. Exercise number 1 is read about Sandra Bates' family. Students, you can look at that we have a description here. We have to read about Sandra Bates' family. This is all about the introduction of Sandra Bates' family. So let's read this introduction of her family. Okay, now this is Sandra Bates talking to you. We live in Aston. It's in the middle of England. My mother's name is Judy and my father's name is Ed. My mother is a doctor. She works at a hospital in Aston. She looks after sick children. My father is a reporter. He works for a newspaper. He writes reports for the newspaper. He travels a lot. I'm 8. My brother Dan is 10 and my sister Ima is 6. I have an e-pal in Karachi. Her name is Saira Barki. Students, I hope you have understood this all introduction of Sandra Bates' family. But let me tell you, e-pal, what is an e-pal? E-pal is generally a friend whom you have not met ever, but you have contacted through the emails, okay, through the internet. And such kind of friends are called e-pals. यानी कि आपका कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड जो कि आप जिससे कभी मिले ना हो, बट आपने उससे कांटेक्ट किया हो किसके थ्रू, इंटरनेट के थ्रू, ईमेल्स वगैरह के थ्रू, तो उसे कहा जाता है an e-pal. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Answer the questions. Now what you have to do, students, here are all these one word answers. Okay, so you have to write the answers in front of the questions. Okay, इनके सामने आपने इनके answers लिखने हैं. Okay, let me show you one example. Answer, where does the Sandra live? Now read the paragraph and find out where does the Sandra live. We live in Aston. So Sandra is talking here, so it means Sandra Bates lives in Aston. Okay, Sandra lives in Aston. Next question, what's her father's name? Look for her father's name. My father's name is Ed. Okay, what's her father's job? Find out from this paragraph and write down here. How old is Sandra's brother? What is the age of Sandra's brother? Read from here and write down here. What's her mother's name? What's her mother's job? How old is Sandra? Where does Sandra's e-pal live? Okay, write down the answers of all these questions in front of the questions. Okay, then do your homework properly and regularly on time. Next, what you have to do, come to the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is write at least 4 sentences about your family in your notebook. Stick in a family photo. You could start like this. यानी कि यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दिए गए हैं, इस तरह आप लिख सकते हो. We live in dash. My mother's name is dash. My father's name is dash. You know, the way Sandra Bates has introduced her family, the same you have to do for your family. Write your introduction, write your family's introduction and also stick in a family photo. If you have any family photo in which your whole family is present, stick that photo, okay? Paste the picture or paste the photo on any chart paper or any sheet or colored paper you find, okay? Then write the introduction of your family like this one. I hope you all students can do it and I hope you will all do it and enjoy it. Students, at the end I want to say you that please be regular in doing your homeworks. I'm noticing that lots of students are not doing their homeworks properly and they are not responding well to all the given homework. Students, you should understand now that all the work that is being done through these video classes will not be repeated when the schools will open. So it will be very, very difficult for you to get back all the work again. Okay, and you will lose a lot of things in this way. So it's better to please go on with the video classes and do everything that is shown in the video or every homework that is given to you so that you can easily grasp all the things that are being taught to you. I hope you will understand this, and for your own learning, for your own benefit, do your homework properly and on time. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.